upcoming Toastmasters and guests. Have you ever wondered how people become better communicators and great leaders and wish to be one? This unique meeting today will unfold as you discover what's in it for me. Usually, first meeting of a newly chartered club or a to-be chartered club is to always introduce various roles, wherein we learn the importance of every role of a regular meeting. This will also help us to understand the importance of every role in your personal and professional life. And therefore, we can call this as a speechcraft. At the outset, I would like to welcome all the guests in the room and heart filled with gratitude to all the Toastmasters who have obliged to be with us today to share their experiences. Just a moment, I will share my screen to share the mission of the club. The mission of Toastmasters Club. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
The mission of the Toastmasters Club is to provide a supportive and positive learning experience in which members are empowered to develop communication and leadership skills, resulting in greater self-confidence and personal growth. A few ground rules. Talk about noise-making devices. This is usually we say in a regular meeting when we meet in person. But I would urge you to switch off put yourself on mute at all times. You can switch it on only when you're speaking. If your video is on, ensure that there is no distraction. You know the exit because you're sitting in the comfort of your own home. And I ask you to have fun during this meeting. So, coming straight to the role of a Sergeant-at-Arms. Who is a Sergeant-at-Arms? The Sergeant-at-Arms is responsible for club property management, meeting room preparation and hospitality. The Sergeant-at-Arms chairs the social and reception committee. But according to me, the Sergeant-at-Arms is the organizer, the first and the last impression of a meeting. There are a few things that is taken care of by the Sergeant-at-Arms. Before the meeting, we need to confirm the meeting room, ensure that we have all the supplies, every role player's requirement, and prepare the opening of the meeting. And I should have the knowledge of all the roles. These are certain optional things. We'll take care of it later. On arrival, me as a Sergeant-at-Arms have to reach way before time, 10-15 minutes before. Remind all the role players, set up the room with all these are the main things that is taken care of. Gavel, ribbons, guest register, stationery, and all that is required that the meeting goes seamlessly. And greet the guests. During the meeting, you have already experienced, seen, have done when I come announce the club meeting, declare the meeting is open and set the ground rules. And we also need to have a few other things like as soon as the Sergeant-at-Arms reads the mission and gives the rule, hands over to the presiding officer or the Toastmaster of the day. And also responsible to sit near the door to welcome late arrivals, prevent interruptions, ensure that there is snacks around, collect ballots and tally votes for awards. This is going to be done since we are in the Zoom meetings. The Zoom master will take care of this and pass the attendance and feedback register. This will take care of by sending you a link. Please fill in the link that will be shared by Anthony. Can you please send it out?
Yes.
After the meeting, I have to ensure that for the next meeting is already planned for, and ensure that I have enough supplies. And the most important thing is I have to ensure that the main room that we have used is back in its place the way it was given to us before. Sergeant at Arms is also a part of the executive committee, and I'm responsible for a few things there. I have to book the venue to conduct the executive meetings, arrange for necessary logistics, share the upcoming venue based on the meeting, and update the executive committee. Sorry. I will talk about this a little later when we have enough time to speak about this. I know you because once I was you. This role is a great platform for you to discover yourself. This is what it is. And I believe that this role will teach you to be